Alright, I just finished fixing the DVR on my car. It kept beeping and it wouldn't record. So I went and took it off. The power button was getting stuck as well. I had some glue on there, so I took that off and it's working now. But the problem was not the button. I thought the button was the one that killed it. Maybe it did, I don't know. It only works when the car is on, so I found out that the battery was pretty swollen. It uses a 3.7 volt 200 milliamp battery. The number on it is YT042030LJ, and I just happen to have two of these 3.7 240 milliamp batteries sitting around that I had bought for something else but didn't fit, and so I went ahead and replaced it in here, and now the camera is working again, so that's kind of neat. I'll add this to the other video I just did, the time lapse I did fixing it, and now I just gotta go stick it back in the car, and that should be good for who knows how long, but it lasted for a little while. But as you can see, the battery seems to be the one that pretty much takes a pooper, and because of that the camera won't work or record anymore. So it's very it uses very small wire, so just fiddling with that it takes some patience, I guess, and it works fine, but I think it was harder to take it off the glass than anything else, so I'll just put the same sticky pads on here and stick it back up there, and hopefully it'll work again for a long while. Anyways, that's it for this video.